Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in this puzzle page of the weekend edition of Saturday, September the 7th, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles in this puzzle page: the 4 stars Sudoku, the killer Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the JigsawSudoku, aka Tectonic. This will be number 9232. 9232. And before I start, I always count the print the digits. This one has 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 18 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Because the hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 18. So double those numbers. So I think this one could be a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 14, 13 minutes. Well, could be also a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Question is this a 1 star puzzle or is this a 0 stars puzzle? We don't know, we'll see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. No dual boxes in this puzzle. How about triple boxes? See here, triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, the 1 is already given, so the 2 and the 3 are left. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box here is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, well, we have a 4 here in the same area, so it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. Same for the other side. This box near the middle box, 4 or a 5, well, we have a 5 in the same area, so it can't be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4 then. Okay, here we have also a triple box. The 3 is already given, so the 1 and the 2 are left. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, well, we have a 5 in the same area, or 5 there. So this box should be a 4 then, okay. Next question, do we have here quadruple boxes? I see here quadruple box, there quadruple box. Well, these two boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Same for here, could be everywhere. Well, then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or construction that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 here, okay. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only one. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. I see this kind of shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, only one shape in this puzzle, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have only 2 of those shapes that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 2 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. 2 and 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 2, because can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 2. I think this box should be a 2 again, because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1, and the 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes surrounding 2 can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area, is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 1, and the 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. These two boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be there. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes and there. Then, let me see. This box can be a 2. This box can be 3. So 2 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. These two boxes can be a 1. So that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Then let me see. These two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes in there. Then these two boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 1 goes there. These two boxes can be 1. These two boxes can be 2. So 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Cannot fill this yet. Then these two boxes can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. Then let me see. These two boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. These two boxes can be 2. These two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this area are the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 3. So the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So if we eliminate here the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 4. Then let me see. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. These two boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. 3 and a 1, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. So we saw 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. These 3 boxes. Round of 3 can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 5. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. And these 2 boxes. Oh, wait. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3, can be 4. Yeah, definitely a 2. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 4. We have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. Finish in 9 minutes. Wow. We solved again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again tomorrow on Sunday. So have a great and fantastic Saturday. Until then, bye-bye. for now.